Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, I had no intentions of doing another video right now, but I got a package in the mail and I needed to show it to you. So right now what we're doing is opening our September Beem box. It's actually October. Yes, October Beem box. Okay, but I got a notification that I had mail. So I went downstairs to check it out and this is what was there. So let's just check and see what's inside. So of course, you know, when we open it, it's always packed so nicely. And for those of you who are not familiar with Beem Box, I will leave all the information down below so that you can check it out for yourself. I want you to know this is a box that is designed for people with some melanin in their skin, okay? And it shows us some new things that we never thought about trying before that we would say, no, that's not gonna look good on my skin tone. Oh yes. Everything that we have gotten is some kind of way, you know, really looked not just presentable, but beautiful on our skin. So when we open it up, the first thing we get is the description card, which says your Beem box has arrived. On the other side is the description of everything that is inside, the prices, the manufacturers, and down below it has a rubrics to let us know which products are cruelty-free, vegan, and yes, women-owned brands, okay? So let's just jump right in and see what's here. So the first item is a facial oil and it's by Calm. And this is what the outer packaging looks like. No, this is the actual color of the box. It's not faded, okay? It says this a special blend of quick absorbing oils locks in moisture and leaves the skin rejuvenated. Never oily. Plant-based oils are non-comedogenic. Okay, which means these will never clog your pores. Apply after moisturizer or before applying makeup. No additives, no chemicals, and no alcohol. Okay, now this is different because there are no prices on here. So what I will do is I will go online and see what I can find and I will share it below, okay? So let's take a look and see what the inside packaging looks like. I doubt very seriously we're gonna open it because I do have a moisturizing oil that I am currently using, okay? So let's see. Oh, the packaging is beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, and this is a 30 milliliter or 1 fluid ounce size. As you did here, it is a clean product and it has a 6-month shelf life after it has been opened. So y'all know this will not be opened until I am ready to use it. I am going to enjoy every drop of that oil, okay? Then the next item that I have is a color switch brush cleaner, and this is by Veramona, and it says clean your brushes instantly with the color switch. No water or liquids needed. Stroke your brush against the color switch sponge to completely remove eyeshadow color. Sponges are reusable and can be washed with warm water and soap. Now, it gives us some directions on the back, which we're not going to go over because they're pretty much everything that was on the description card, and because there are no chemicals or anything like that in it, there is no expiration date. But I will tell you that this is a vegan product. It is cruelty-free, and it is a woman-owned business. Now, I do like the way in which they packaged it. This is the top, okay, but it's underneath. And this is what the sponge itself looks like, okay? Now, I do have one that I've been using for a while. So I'm glad to get this one because I can never have too many. I have a lot of brushes, so I need to have a lot of ways to clean them. Okay, so then the next item that we have is Radiant Lasting Makeup Mist, and this is by the company Rude. And it says, get the glowing look without looking oily with this makeup mist. This illuminating formula hydrates, refreshes, and balances overall makeup. Spray on and have your makeup last all day. And this one is also cruelty-free, vegan, and a woman-owned brand. All right, this one has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, let's just look at the packaging because I like what I see on the side. Look at that. So let's just see if it really does look like this. This is really nice. Look at this. Okay, that is a beautifully packaged mist, okay? It says that it is a 60 milliliter size, and it's 2.028 US fluid ounces, okay? Now, let's just talk about this for a minute. The last Beem Box that we received had 2 products in it by Rude. Now, I have to let you know, inexpensive, but amazing. Amazing. I'll put the picture up here of the makeup look that I did. I had a concealer by Rude as well as a eyeshadow palette. I had the Tokyo palette. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Their products are very easy to work with, and I really enjoyed what it looked like. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you. So, looking forward to trying this out. Okay, it says it's lightweight, illuminating, and retains moisture. Okay, and the next item we have is by Carrie Gran, and it's a lip whip, and it says this lip whip color balms are the perfect mix between a lip balm and a lipstick. They give your lips the level of color you want without sacrificing the moisture boost your lips need. They are buildable for a range of intensity. Just smooth on with a clean fingertip or brush. Okay, now the shade that I have, Jolene Sheer Fuchsia. Okay, and this is a 0.25 fluid ounce size or 7 milliliters. And let's see. It says whipped, wild-crafted, wonderfully addicted, made with naturally derived, organic, and non-GMO ingredients, rich buttery texture, and buildable color that gives from sheer to opaque. Okay. I like what I see. And this has a 12-month shelf life. Well, let's just open it and see. This is the packaging. And let's see. Oh, nice. Okay, I'm going to open this one because this one has a standard shelf life. And it says used by February 2023. So we have plenty of time to use all of it. It's very pretty. Very pretty. Okay, when we do our create, review, and first impression, we will certainly be using this. Okay. So the last item that I have is by BH Cosmetics, which I also like. I've used several of their palettes, and this one is the Birthstone Palette. And it says each smooth, matte, and dramatic shimmer offers extra long-lasting wear and high-impact pigment payoff. Ooh, okay, try and say that fast. So you can rock endless eye looks, okay? This one is also cruelty-free and vegan. And just in case I didn't say it about the lip whip, that one is also cruelty-free, vegan, and a woman-owned brand. Oh, I'm here for this. It says, you make 'em green with envy. Emerald. Now, take a look at these beautiful shades. Okay, it's covered in plastic, so hopefully there won't be a glare. If there is, I'll take it off. Look at those shades. Look at those shades. And y'all know I love me some green. Love me some green. I'm considering going back to my green hair, y'all. What you think? Leave me a message down below. Let me know your thoughts. Well, the shades that are here are Emerald, Total Package, Restless, Hard Worker, Stubborn, Artsy AF, and High Spirit. This palette has a 12-month shelf life. It says feel wicked cute with lush vegan greens, golds, and pink tones come together in perfect harmony. Okay. Oh, this is beautiful. I absolutely love everything that I see in here. I'm telling you, she comes up with some amazing items. The curator of this Beem Box, okay? I love everything that I see in here, and I am excited to try it, okay? So, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our October Beem Box, okay? Remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.